Hello children, let's learn a comprehension from the lesson The Storied House Part 2, Unit 5 Part B. Here are some points to remember. Go through them before you attempt the comprehension. On to the passage here. The entire family was shattered by the calamity, that is a sudden disaster. All of their spirits were low, and in the morning, the next day after Bayaji's death, the village officers inspected the site, the Bayaji's house, and came to a conclusion that the accident was a result of a Petromax flare-up. And it was an extremely disappointing moment for all the guests because they had all come for a happy occasion wherein they had to attend a funeral. And Bayaji, to his misfortune, who wanted to enjoy with his grandchildren, was sleeping in a cemetery. And when all of them were in a sullen mood, very sad mood over the demise of Bayaji, his eldest son started digging a pit, and his brothers joined him in gathering the mud from there, and they had started working on the construction of a storied house. On to the comprehension here. Bayaji was in ashes in the cemetery instead of. The word cemetery means graveyard, cemented building, celebration, burned house. Yes, children, you can substitute each word and see. Bayaji was in ashes in the graveyard, in the cemented building, in the celebration, in the burned house. The right answer is graveyard. Graveyard means where all the dead bodies are buried. That is the graveyard. That's also called as cemetery. The eldest son came out with 3 or 4 baskets, a spade. Why did he carry this? To clean the ashes of the burnt house, to reconstruct the house, to dig a grave for his father, to fight with his enemies. Yeah, you all know that he wanted to construct a storied house, not the one like Bayaji, the concealed first floor, but a storied house which would be visible for everyone, indicating Dalit empowerment. So here the right answer is to reconstruct the house. On to the third question. They had the misfortune to attend. The word misfortune refers to, that means what incident is referred to be so misfortunate or so unfortunate, so unlucky. What is that? Is it Bayaji's retirement? Is it housewarming ceremony? Is it the fire accident? Or is it the death of Bayaji? Yes, it is the death of Bayaji. So you might be confused between the fire accident and the death of Bayaji. The fire accident is not much to be worried because Bayaji has so many sons and they could construct the house if Bayaji was alive. Here, the most sorrowful part of the story is Bayaji is dead. He is burnt. He is scorched all over with in the fire. He was into the flames. So that is the most misfortunate thing in the story. On to the question and answers. What was the conclusion of the village officers and witnesses about the accident? The village officers and witnesses concluded that the fire accident was a result of a Petromax flare-up. You can also say the conclusion of the village officers and the witnesses was that the accident was a result of a Petromax flare-up. On to the next question. The accident was due to a Petromax flare-up. Do you agree with the statement? Support your answer. No, I don't agree with the statement. I feel that Kondiba and Bujaba had set the house on fire. The way they gestured to each other proves this. The reason is that Bayaji constructed the first floor despite being warned by Kondiba. So we all know who actually had set the house on fire. So this is how we attempt the comprehension and give our answers as precisely as possible. Thank you children. Thank you for watching, and do comment in the comment box below. Subscribe for further updates. Click the like button if it was really useful to you. Thank you and have a great day.